this video we will check out a leather cover, case or sleeve maybe for Kindle e-readers. So let's begin. So let's start by unboxing this. It's from Amazon, and we will later on see the page from Amazon where I bought this. And as you can see here, it's from Moonster. Cool name. And hopefully it will fit my latest Kindle Paperwhite 11th generation. As you can see here, it's from Moonster. We're over the moon. Cool. And in this nice little bag, as you can see here, also Moonster bag, really nice packaging. And this leather case, leather bag or whatsoever is handmade. So everyone is different. Nice. Well, my first reaction is that it's kind of small, but maybe it will fit. Nice little bag it comes in. If it's too small, I can use this for my Kindle instead, but that was a joke. But here it is, and we have a magnet. It should be a really strong magnet. And in the inside it should be quite soft, but to be honest with you, this edge here is kinda hard, but maybe it's soft anyway. Looks really nice. But before we will check how my Kindle fit or my Kobo 16s will Clara will fit in it, we will check out the web page first. So let's go to the desktop. Here we have the desktop, as you can see, and here from this page, please bear with me that this is from the Swedish Kindle store, kindle.se, so it's in Swedish, but you will find this from Moonster from your store too, I'm sure of it. So this is pretty neat, as you can see. Looks really great. So there you can buy this. And as you can see, Kindle 4th edition, 5th edition, 8th edition, 10th edition, 11th, and Kindle Paperwhite 5, 6, 7 and 10th. And this is the 11th, so I'm not sure it will fit, so this is not good if it will not fit my Kindle Paperwhite and only my Kobo Clara 2E. But let's go back to the table cam, and now we will try if it will fit. It fits, so no worries there. It fits quite nicely actually. I like that it's a sturdy fit actually. I like that. So no worries there. It fits my 11th generation of Kindle Paperwhite. Really nice. So no problem there. So after a while using this, it will be a bit softer in the edges and so on, so it will fit much better. So this is a really nice bag case cover for the Kindle Paperwhite and other Kindle devices from Moonster. Real leather, handcrafted leather. Love it. So let's see if the Kobo Clara 2e fits. Of course it will, because it's smaller, but let's see how it feels in this. Oh, really nice. It fits really good too, so no problem there. Like that. You need to turn off the sensor for sleep cover, as you can see. I don't like that. Okay. Well, it fits anyway. Really nice, as you can see. But I will probably use it for my Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, 11th generation. Like this. Really nice. Love that. So let's go to the face cap. So that was an unboxing and a test of this really nice bag for the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, 11th generation. It fits nicely even if the web page only says up to 10th generation. So I can highly recommend this bag or case for the Kindle, and it works with all 6 inches devices too, quite easily. So you can use it for a Kobo too if you need a really nice bag for your e-reader. So I can highly recommend that. Okay, let's go to the outro.